6 kids were inside the house, 4 adults were inside the house. One of those adults was hanging out of a second-story window when firefighters arrived about 1 o'clock this morning. You can take a look at the house behind us, and you can see the intensive damage pretty much to the entire backside of this home. When firefighters got here at 12:45, they were already facing heavy flames both on the second story and on the finished attic of this home. They had to quickly go into defensive mode because those flames were overtaking firefighters when they were inside. So they were able to fight it from the outside. They got the flames put out. They did transport 2 people to the hospital, 1 adult and 1 child with some minor smoke inhalation. Both of those folks are expected to be okay. We did talk to a woman who lived inside this home. She says she is just thankful that everybody got out alive.
We were all asleep. My husband woke up and said that he smelled something. And when he got up and he opened the bedroom door, he said, "It's a fire." And I ran out, and he got my son, and my son got his wife and his 2 kids, and they came out.
This home was actually a bit of a rescue mission of sorts. It was owned by the St. Paul Church of Christ USA here in Kansas City, and the church would open this home to people who didn't have anywhere else to go. So now the woman who lived inside that home says she's not sure where she will go. She's not sure where a lot of the people who lived inside this home will go. As far as exactly what caused this fire, that's something that Kansas City, Missouri fire investigators are working on. They still haven't pinpointed an exact cause just yet, but they tell me that nothing right now appears to be suspicious.